Well, the customer states that glad my head was not underneath that.
Got like a Ford Thunderbird that got towed in. God. Lights.
Holy cow, you guys.
Oh, you gotta come and see this. You got, oh my goodness. Woo! Wonder what happened here. What happened here? Oh, he shredded it. Shred, shred, shred. Looks like we went to one of the burnout contests. I would have been impressed with this. Really impressed. We got a donut. All right.
So anyways, you guys just watched that whole intro. We got a 1989 Ford Thunderbird. The customer states that transmission is slipping whenever he tries to accelerate. So while he's at the hotel for tonight and tomorrow, we're going to see what is open for the tire. That maybe he ran something over and it got messed up underneath that whole side because the front tire has a donut, and then he just popped that one. None. That ain't shit.
What the? There ain't no transmission fluid. What? Okay, stick it back down in there. Let's take a look at it.
Come on, bitch. Ain't nothing.
Dude, there's no transmission fluid. Start it up and make sure it's in park, and let's check it again.
Good thing. There's nothing.
Nada. Alright, shut it off. Nada.
still dripping at the bottom.
That's fine. It's just break clean.
There.
Alright, so what we're gonna do is right now we gotta find out if there's a leak under this thing. That's a lot, and it's not anywhere on the car anywhere. So we're gonna have to get up underneath there.
Here's power steering fluid. And then transmission.
Well,
With type F.
go ahead and put this in because we ain't got none right now. We
See
gotta,
if she runs better.
we gotta see if it's got enough in it. Pour it in there. Up the other way.
Is that?
That way, yes. So now when you put some in there now, we need to grab a flashlight, look underneath it, see if there's anything leaking. Just leave that there. Leave it there.
Power steering fluid.
That's over here then.
Huh?
That's over here.
Yep. No leaks though from the transmission fluid.
So far. Both cars seem better fucking tanks. Bullshit. No, bullshit. Well, you need to get a job. Hey, look, that needs some time right there on top of the car. Good. That's all we got, so we can't really do any more. We're completely out of transmission fluid.
You want me to try something?
You can start it and see how well it goes in here, how it is. Or actually, no, go ahead and check, see how fluid actually put in there. Remember, we just poured down that same tube. So now, you gotta wait till it all gets down in there. Put that one. Right.
I need to put it full.
So you did that. Good.
More than there was, that's for sure. Wait, listen.
What?
You not hear that?
Here, what?
Something dripping.
Probably. But what makes it there's anything dripping? What's up?
Bad news.
Transmission fluid all over the ground.
It's not all over the ground.
Probably drips when you pull the damn thing out
Probably.
from the phone.
Oh yeah, probably. I don't see it dripping anymore.
Okay. Take a look at it again, wipe it. Oh, we're gonna keep checking it when we're started. I'm seeing some color there. Okay, so go ahead and fire it up and see if we get through the pump. Normally when it's that low, the transmission would make a whole bunch of whining noise, kind of like what the power steering pump is doing. But it'd be down over here.
It is.
Hell. No, not that one. They both make the same damn noise. Just put it all the way down.
I think so.
It's all the way down. One side, nothing on it. Now while it's running, they open the car.
Might try to show some of the reverse. I get to see how he goes in reverse.
Keep rolling through it.
Start it up when you go.
Not gonna flash one?
I love that, dude. That just makes my day right there.
Oh, that's one problem solved. Alright, so this is going to put me back in old school.
There was an accident just now. Did you hear that?
Alright, let's check oil. Let's make sure we got oil in the damn thing.
She has oil.
Where?
Right there. Really wasn't trying to touch you. Now that she's cool, we're gonna fire her up and see if she starts blowing smoke out of the back, and let her run. And while we're letting her run, we're gonna work on other stuff. Yikes! It's cold. Milk. Alright, so we got her out. The transmission was flipping when we were backing her out, so we're gonna go and see if she's smoking out of the back right now. Oh, look at that tire, guys. It's not smoking as bad as she was. Gotta let her warm up first. Got an update on the Ford really quick for you guys. Customer called and said he didn't want it, so he came over and gave it to us. So we're gonna see what we can turn this thing into.
Hey guys, it's Jason or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has 1989 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda Accord, believe. I think either Civic or Accord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk.